So we do have a detox protocol included in the course materials. And this is more of a conservative type of detox protocol that can be used and would be applicable to most clients that you see in a day-to-day practice. It's not incredibly intensive in that it would cause major detox symptoms or be too difficult for elderly clients to deal with. So this is a detox protocol that can be used on, in most cases for most clients. It's a 2-week type of protocol. And we usually see remarkable results, after the 2-week detox. If we test the blood again, the changes are usually quite incredible and very encouraging for people to see then, especially if there was a lot of room for improvement in the sample initially, the changes can be really quite drastic after a simple 2-week detox.